Hey, I don't actually look this cool normally. Hi, so I've been seeing on the socials the 70s kind of aesthetic or slightly 90s glow dreamy effect going on with their photos. So I'm going to do some quick self-portrait to see if I can do it, because I am, if anything, that girl that jumps on all the trends, even if I am like the latest to the party. I've got as cheap as anything lens filter, and as you can see here, the smeariness is actually some cheap lip balm that I got from the pound shop and smeared a little bit on it. But rather than just doing like a circular motion with it, I kind of nudged it around to make a little bit of texture. I don't know if you can quite see it, but as you can see when you go around on my face, there's bits that are smooth, bits that are swished around. It's collected a little bit of dirt, but apparently that's meant to be good for it. So let's... So I've done with the lenses with the lens filter, and I wasn't quite sure what else I could do. And I remember that people often shoot on the mobile phone, so now I'm going to try and shoot it on my mobile phone only if I can get the same effect in camera. And obviously this means that I just need, I just need a dirty lens, right? So I'm going to smudge up both my camera lenses, front and back, and take some shots. Now you want to duplicate in Photoshop. I hear you. So what you do is you go into Photoshop, right, and you duplicate your image, and on your duplicated image you add Gaussian blur, or Gaussian blur, however you pronounce it, I always forget. And you want to do it so you lose some of the fine detail. For me, it could be anywhere between 30 to 50. Just be careful. Okay, don't go too crazy. But you know, crazy is good if you love that. Then what you do is you go then to the opacity on the layer and you drop it down to a time that feels good. And if you want to add a pink hue, you add that pinky hue, okay? So yeah, but if you want to do it in Photoshop, that's the way to do it. If you want to do it in Lightroom, I'm going to link some people in the descriptions who will do it in Lightroom for you, okay? Take care. So as ever, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell button. I'll see you all soon. Don't forget to check out my TikTok and my Instagram. Links are all below.